TFNN.
Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love coming out of you makes you happy. The whole world can love you, but that is not the love that will make you happy. What will make you happy is to share all the love that you have inside of you. That is the love that will make the difference. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials up 41, NASDAQ up 22, S&P's up $3.50. Gold contract down $8.10, trading at $1,364 an ounce. Silver down 24 cents at $20.45 an ounce. Platinum off $3 at $1,063 an ounce. Light sweet crude up $1.64, trading at $41.15 a barrel. Bonds, excuse me. Sorry, folks, excuse me about that. Bonds, 10-year up 2 ticks, 132.19. 30-year down 7 ticks, 172.04. King dollar up by 517 ticks, trading at 95.50. King dollar is making, well, got it inside the higher range and wants higher price once again. Euro is down 76, trading at $1.11, and the yen's up 31, trading at 101. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. I want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay. So you up 63 cents today. We're at 216.18. We come down yesterday, 92 million shares on the way down. You go topside with 49 million. That's a market that wants lower price, folks. And I expect we're going to be right back downtown tomorrow, Friday. Jobs number, bottom line, I suspect it's going to be a good jobs number, and the market's going to take a conniption. We take a look at the NQs, the QQQ, same type of setup. The Qs are really anemic. Now, the Qs, no doubt, broke topside July 11th, got to a high of $116.13, and we got that to that high on Monday with 13.9 million shares. Now, watch this. You make the high with 13.9 million. You come off the high with 21 million, and we go higher today, counter trend bounce 13.6. That's an indication that what? You get more sellers than buyers. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract down $8.90 today. You're trading at $13.64. That's a sideways move with light volume. Sideways to slightly lower. We went from a price point of $13.73, $13.60. You did volume of 132 million. In order to get to a lower price, bottom line, because see, it didn't get over the high of yesterday. High of yesterday was 1374.20. We get to 1373. So you're backing down at light volume. In order to get to lower price, you need more volume on the way down. If we go take a look at the GLD, now here's where what you have with the GLD, that backed down with 4.9 million. We went higher yesterday with 7 million. Now that 7 million was going into 17 million. So that's a problem, when you look at the GLD. It's telling me that this thing's going to back down again. You can make the case that you back down with dramatically lighter volume today, so that case would be made that you can go for the highs once again. That being said, I don't see it happening, and the reason I don't see it happening is if we go over to this dollar, when whether it's a currency, whether it's an equity, whether it's a commodity, when the commodity equity currency gets toasted and roasted very quickly, which the dollar did last Friday, we went from a price point of 96.70 to 95.30, volume of 35,000. Then we broke that yesterday, but we did break it yesterday with dramatically lighter volume, 21,000 versus the 35. Well, we jumped right back inside the higher range today. So it doesn't say you want to go back to the high that was established on the 25th. What it does say is that you're going to try to get inside now the 95.92. So that'd be another 400 ticks. You get that if you get that 400 ticks tomorrow, guess what? You will go for that high, and that could put some pressure on all the commodities. Let's go over to Jack in the Box. Jack in the Box closed at $87. That's trading 95 right now. That's pretty amazing, man. So whatever Jack in the Box is doing, let me just pull this back. That's probably at all-time highs. No, it's not at all-time highs. All-time highs, Jack in the Box, going to be close, $98. Let's see what they have to say. So the estimate, revenue estimate was $367 million. They made $368 million. Earnings per share, 87 cents. They made $1.07. So they did some good numbers, man. What the hell? I wonder what they're selling these days. FRSH. Let's go take it. Is this Fresh Market? No. FRSH. So this is Papa Murphy's. This closed at $7.11. It's trading at $6.50. Pizza, huh? Okay. This is a franchisor of selling. Okay. The franchisor and operator of the largest take and bake pizza chain, selling uncooked pizzas that customers bake at home. The company's core purpose is to bring families together through food with the goal to create fun and fulfilling family dinners. The low for the year is $6.48. The high is $20. Let's just see what they gross. So they're doing 141 million. Bottom line is that the numbers weren't bad. It looks like they just haven't grown enough. Estimate was 5 cents. They made 6 cents. If we go over to Fox, 21 Century Fox, 21 Century closed at $27.42. It's trading $27.43, and these are monster numbers. And more than likely, this probably, political advertising, folks, is absolutely huge. Now, they're not going to get as much political advertising in the presidential election as they had planned on, okay? But the primaries, that came in fast and furious. So the estimate in 21 Century Fox, of course, this is Fox News Network, 21st Century. I mean, they own a huge amount of companies. Bottom line, the estimate was 37 cents. They made 45. So big numbers. They're going to buy back $3 billion worth of shares also. So lots of action out here. Tesla, TSLA. Is Tesla coming out with numbers? Let's see. Tesla closed at 225. It's trading at 225. And yeah, Tesla's come out with numbers too. So, Tesla's like Amazon was, a few years ago, just blowing everyone's mind. No matter what they did, the stock just would not go down. So Tesla, the estimate was $1.63, and they can. You stay right there. We'll come right back with the numbers.